My name is Ali. I'm serial student at Tehran University. With my team member Chawan, Klara, and Mzhda, we have implemented the What's in Your Fridge app, which is providing the recipes for your meals easiest way and the most delicious way. And for the implementation, we have implemented MVM, which is a model view model, and providing the elements and strategy and technique that we have studied and we got it from the map, like changing notifiers, models, state management, and other stuff as well. In the model folder, we have a two file like category and meal. As you can see in the category, we have provided the categories like we have a quick, easy hamburger, and German, light, lovely, breakfast, and others. And in the meal file, we have provided the meals, the photo, and the category, and the steps for implementing that meal, and the ingredients. As you can see right there, we have the image URL and the duration for cooking that meal, and ingredients and steps. And we have provided this is like a Boolean. This food is not free gluten and is not a vegan, it's not a vegetarian, it's not a lactose free, and the others as well. We have like providing the meals in the models. Then we have a screen file which is contained in bottom tab and favorite and home screen and popular category and recipe detail and search and settings screen. In the bottom tab, we have implemented the bottom navigator for the application. Like we have home and favorite and setting. The setting I will talk about later, which is like filtering the. It's like filtering the application, like filtering the application, like providing those recipes that are in the application, like free glutens and vegans and others category as well. And in the favorite, we have in this part we have this part for like we have many recipes. You can add it in your favorite, then you can easily find it. In the home screen, we have the home screen, which is the to-do recipes and the weekly recipes that are weekly will be provided in the application. And the popular categories, it's categories that are mostly used by the customers, and it's easy and it's time consuming. And we have a share screen, which is a file which will provide a tool for searching for specific meal that you like to cook or to dish, any kind like pastry, salad, any type of food like French, Italy, cuisine. And we have a setting screen, which is the filtering one. We filter the data, like if it is a free gluten, provide those data that are free gluten and vegan and for vegetarian as well. And in the widget file, we have another file, which is a home screen. This is the calculation of the popular category of the application, like name of the foods and the titles and the ID. Then in this file, we have to-do recipes, like those recipes that are mostly requested by the customer, like in the specific day. And this is the for weekly recipe, like it's weekly duration is weekly, like from the starting the week and the end. Those recipe will be categorized in those area that could be easy for the customer to find it. Then we have a main screen like the favorites and available meal. This is the and condition is nothing. Then we have converted to list, then toggle favorite. Then we have a state management of the state, set state. And this is the main screen, like we have this route technique, like we have a initial state, initial route. Then these are the popular category route and recipe detail as such. Okay, I guess we have finished the code. Let's show you the output. Okay, as you can see right there, we have like we have this output. You have a search and popular categories and district recipes that are available. That has been uploaded by master chefs. Like, for example, if you're looking for the quick and easy, and this salad will be provided in the application and will show you the ingredients and the steps, like we have provided a toggle button. And you can add it to your favorites, just clicking that icon, and you can see it right there. Okay. Then we have a filter. You can filter the categories like vegetarians and lactose free, and now we are fine. If you press save, it will be saved. And here we can see the hamburgers. And if we filter, okay, as you can see, the hamburger is empty. We have other categories like exotic and breakfast, Asian, French, and summary, and that has been uploaded by the chefs. This is the profile of the chefs. As you can see by the profile picture, name, email, and phone number. As you can see right there, we don't have any favorite. Now we can add a favorite to the profiles. Like, for example, you want a classic burger, just you press this button right there. Directly, you can easily find it in your favorite. As you can see, here he is. We have the ingredients like tomato, cucumber, onion, and other ingredients. And if you press this toggle button, it will show the steps like form to and fry the patties and serve burger with tomato, cucumber, and onion. Okay. If you want to like erase this favorite, you just go for the recipe and press now. You can see we don't have any favorites. And we have a filter right there. And you can filter the recipes like depend on your requirement, like free gluten, vegan, vegetarian, lactose free. For example, you want a lactose free and you press save. Now it will show only those recipes that are lactose free. Okay, let's have a look. For example, we have this salad right there. You can put it in our favorite. And the duration for making that recipe is 30 minutes. And it's easy and cheap for making. And we have a search right there. You can search for any recipes, for example, like toast. For example, let's have search toast. Let's have, okay, as you can see, we have this recipe that are fetched by the database. Here's toast. You can open it and see what's inside there, like ingredients and steps, butter, side, and this is the step. You can put it in your favorite for easy to find. Then we have these recipes that will be updated by the file weekly, depend on the requesting and demanding of the user for the recipes. Then if you filter the vegan and vegetarian and you don't press save, it will not be saved. It will remain saved. You should press the save button, then it will be saved. Okay, as you can see, let's press save and have a check. Okay, as you can see, it's saved. Let's search for any recipe that are fulfill the requirements, like, for example, breakfast. Okay, we have a pancake. This is the ingredients, and this is the steps for making pancake. You can also put it in a favorite. Then you can find it easily. And for this recipe, it takes only 20 minutes. It's a very time consuming and very delicious to make. Previously, we talked about the chef functionalities and the functionality that are responsible in the application belong to chefs. And now we have a user. They have their own functionalities in the application, like they can search for the recipe. They can search for the recipe, like, for example, hamburger. For example, okay, as you can see, we have hamburger and the ingredients, and they can also see the steps for making delicious hamburger, and they can also put the recipe in their favorite, then they can find it easily. And they can also look at the popular categories like summer. We have this item, delicious orange smoothie. These are the ingredients and they're the steps for making delicious orange mousse. Then you can, or she can put it in the favorite preview, then they can find it easily. Then they can also filter the recipes like gluten, vegetarians, lactose free. For example, like vegan. Okay. For example, we have hamburger. As you can see, the hamburgers category doesn't exist because we have filtered. Then the quick and easy, we have asparagus salad with a cherry tomato. These are the ingredients, and they have their own profiles as well. Okay. Thanks for having me. Goodbye.